Hey RJ, I'm currently in the plumbing documents and I noticed many unresolved clashes next to the elevator. Can you please take a look at it right now? I'm currently marking it up.
Thanks, Ashley. I'll go ahead and address it now. Hi everyone, you just watched myself and Ashley mark up a PDF drawing in real time using a Bluebeam Studio session. Bluebeam Studio Session is a collaboration platform that is included with a Bluebeam review license. It connects team members on construction projects, giving us the ability to mark up and review documents in real time. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a Bluebeam Studio session. I'm using Review 2018. It looks a little bit different from Review 2017, but the buttons still look sort of similar. Over here is the Studio button. Once I click that, you can sign in. If you haven't signed in yet, or you haven't created an account, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, you won't be able to create a session. I'll type in my password. This is the Studio Hub. It shows all the sessions that you've created, and this is where the new session that we create will show up once we finish setting it up. So I'll go ahead and click this Add button here. I'm going to select New Session, name it. At this point, you can add any files that is currently open in your window, but since I have no windows open, I have to select Add and select the file from my local disk to add to this session. I'm going to select this file to upload. Once you've selected it, hit open. You can see the name of the file that you've uploaded. And down here at the options, I typically will not restrict attendees by email address. I'll go ahead and deselect it. On my options, the attendees can save, print, markup, but not add documents to this studio session. So once you're happy with your options and the files to be uploaded, go ahead and click OK. A pop-up window will show up. This will let you copy the invitation, which then later you can email to your attendees. Or you can also add the email address here. Once you're done, go ahead and click OK. You can see in the Documents tab the PDF file that we uploaded. Down here you can see the attendees that show up during your session. And if you're already familiar with marking up a Bluebeam or a PDF file, the markup tools are similar. You can create a cloud. You can create a box with leaders or arrows. You can also add text boxes. Once you're done with your studio session, or if you need to leave, you can go ahead and click on this door icon and it will take you back to the main hub, where you can see the list of previous sessions attended. You can also see that this is the latest one we just added. This concludes the tutorial on how to create a studio session on Bluebeam. Thank you.